एवरीवन, आज हम 8th क्लास का एक्सपोनेंट और पावर जो चैप्टर है इसको डिस्कस करेंगे। अभी ये एक्सपोनेंट का मीनिंग क्या है? सपोज 2 इज मल्टीप्लाइड 4 टाइम्स, सो इट टेकिंग टाइम टेकिंग ऑल्सो वेस्टेज ऑफ पेपर, सो सिंबलिकली वी कैन राइट इट 2 to the power 4. 2 is called what? Base, and 4 is called what? Power. Similarly, if minus 3 is written 3 times, so how can you write? Minus 3 to the power 3. If you write minus 3 to the power 3, this is wrong, because here 3 is multiplied 3 times, not minus. So we should put within bracket. Okay. So suppose minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus is like 100 times. So how can you write? Now minus 1 to the power 100. So when minus is multiplied even number of times, like minus into minus plus, again minus, minus, again minus, plus. So when minus is multiplied even number of times, the result always positive. So here minus 1 is multiplied 100 times, so it will be plus 1, because 1 is multiplied how many times? Always 1. So if minus is multiplied 100 times, so it will be plus. Okay, so this is the concept. So how can you operate? So we cannot use as general operation, like suppose 2 into 2 to the power 3. Don't write 4 to the power 3. This is wrong. So how to do this type of expression? So there is certain rule. So I will discuss one by one the rules of exponents. See, when you multiply, if same base is there, base, this is base and this is power. If same base is there, so what will do? You have to add their powers keeping the same base. So a to the power x plus y. So I am giving example. Let's see, 2 into 2 to the power 4. So nothing means power is 1. So what will do? Keeping the same base, power should be added. 1 plus 4, that is 5. So एक mistake भी बच्चों करते हैं क्या, देखो. So 2 into 2 to the power. Some students do what? Multiplying 2 into 2, 4 to the power 4. This is wrong. So 2 into 2 to the power 4 is what? 2 to the power 5. So this is multiplication rule. Similarly, when you divide, suppose 8 to the power x divide 8 to the power y. So same base is there. What will do? You have to subtract their powers. 8 to the power x minus y if x is greater than y. If x is greater than y, or if y is greater than x, then 1 by 8 to the power y minus x. So I am giving certain example. Let's see, 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 2. Same base. So what will do? So 5 to the power 4 minus 2. So another example, let's see, 5 to the power 2 divided by 5 to the power 4. Here denominator is bigger power. So 1 by 5 to the power 4 minus 2. That is 1 by 5 to the power 2. Okay. So this is the division rule. So next, another rule is what? Multiplication. Exponent rules. See, exponents, suppose a to the power x to the power y, you will do what? A to the power xy. This is very interesting thing. So let's see, 2 to the power 3 to the power 5, you have to multiply there, 2 to the power 15. But see, can you see one example? 2 to the power 2 to the power 4. So what will do? Don't multiply 2 into 4. So here no bracket. So 2 to the power, 2 to the, first of all simplify this one. 2 to the power 4 is what? 16. So 2 to the power 16. Don't multiply 2 to the power 8. Wrong. Right? So it is what? 2 to the power ऐसे if we'll put bracket like this 2 to the power 2 to the power 4, now we can multiply what 2 to the power 8. So this is the difference, very important. So let's see. Okay, so next concept, a to the power x into b to the power x. If same power is there, so you have to multiply ab to the power x. So by using this formula we can do, suppose 5 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4, same power, so we can write 5 into 2 to the power 4. So first rule, second rule, third, this is fourth. Fifth rule, a to the power x by b to the power x. If same power is there, so we can divide a by b to the power x. Suppose 5 to the power 4 divided by 7 to the power 4, we can write 5 by 7 to the power 4. Okay, so these are laws you have to remember. Using these law we can do lot of problems. So next one is what, anything to the power 0 always 1. Remember, anything to the power 0 always 1. 5 to the power 0 1, 100 to the power 0 1. Okay, our last one is what, if it is negative power means 2 to the power minus 3. So can you say what is the answer? So first of all, eliminate the negative power. When we eliminate the negative power, we take the reciprocal, 1 by 2 to the power 3, that is 1 by 8. Don't write minus 8. So it, first of all, eliminate the negative power. Suppose it is 5 to the power minus 2, then what will do, 1 by 5 to the power 2, that is 1 by 25. This is all about the rules. By using these rules, so we have to explain one by one the questions. Okay, so NXE, come. So give me your book. NXE.
Yes, sir.
So can you do simplify? Find the value of, so it is, find the value of 81 to the power minus 3 by 4. Find the value. ଭେରିଏଟା ବୁଲେଇବା ପରେ yes, good, congratulations. So what we'll do, so first of all 81 should be in prime factor method. 81 prime factor कैसे बनाएंगे? So 3 to the power 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. 3 has multiplied how many times? 4 times. So 3 to the power 4 to the power minus, so power should be multiplied. So ऐसे से cancel, 3 to the power minus 3. So when it is negative power, we can't calculate. What we'll do? So eliminate the negative power. When we eliminate the negative power, we take the reciprocal. So this is right. Thank you. So next one, Anshuman, come.
Yes, sir.
So do question number E. B the 8 bits. So E bits. Camera. Photo आसो. Photo टा camera रे बुल्ला. एमती बुल्ला. पिल्लांगु देखा. So done, well done, thank you. So see, go. So I just explain. So 3 to the power x minus 1 equal to 1 by 27. So always try to write this base in exponential form. 27 is what? 3 to the power 3. So one rule is, remember, a to the power x equal to a to the power y. If same base is there, what will do? So power should be equal, x equal to y. Similarly, so 1 by 3 to the power 3, अगर ये ऊपर जाएंगे तो नेगेटिव पावर हो जाएंगे. 3 to the power what? Minus 3. जैसे मैंने बोला था क्या, नेगेटिव पावर when eliminate the negative power, how can you do? You take the reciprocal 1 by 3 to the power 3. If you convert in negative power, so it is 3 to the power minus 3. So same base 3 3, power should be equal. So x minus 1 equal to minus 3, x equal to, transfer this side. So okay, gone. Do. Thank you. So in the coming class, I will do all the questions one by one. I think so all of you understood. So